Sutton RV is your Riverstone dealer. Riverstone Luxury Fifth Wheels are offering what luxury is, and that is convenience. Riverstone has made almost every competitor's option a standard. After all, if you're ready for a Riverstone Luxury Fifth Wheel, then you're ready for the ultimate convenience. Standard interior package includes 65-inch LED smart TV with JBL soundbar, Insignia 4-burner range and oven, upgraded CORIAN solid surface countertop and kitchen, large stainless steel kitchen sinks with residential faucet, 18 cubic foot French door refrigerator with ice maker, residential soft close drawer guides, Shaw residential vinyl flooring, LED lighting throughout, 30-inch stainless steel microwave, oval porcelain toilet with foot flush, central vacuum system, 40,000 BTU furnace, 10-inch thick memory foam mattress 72 by 80 standard, Shaw stain resistant carpet, day and night roller shades throughout. Standard exterior package includes wool glass residential style installation featuring a dual vapor barrier to give you an incredible R16 insulation value in the side walls, including the slide rooms. The roof and flooring touts an R38 insulation value, all designed for extended stay lifestyle throughout the country. 17.5 H-rated tires with aluminum rims, hydraulic slide-outs on main floor and bed slides, automatic 6-point hydraulic level-up system, Dometic A&E awning with LED lights, side turning lights, Dexter Easy Flex suspension system with bronze bushings and grease zerks, 3-inch exterior walls with high gloss full gel coat exterior, tandem 8,000-pound Dexter Easy Lube axles, 32 by 78 entry door with friction hinge, dual pane frameless windows, full docking station, two 15,000 BTU HP quiet cool ACs, painted full front and rear fiberglass caps. The Riverstone Fifth Wheel is waiting for you at Sutton RV. At Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.